Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2016 Jaguar XFR-S. So the S is for sporty. It's certainly got that going for it. This one's the 380 horsepower model. In the trunk here, you'll get a power trunk opener and closer. So I'll just show you that working both ways. That's pretty cool. And it comes with a little picnic kit there, or cleaning kit, as well as a set of winter mats. So a good sized trunk, and we'll just close that so that you can see it fully there. Nice dual exhaust out the back, and this one is all-wheel drive, which is fabulous for this country that we live in. Tires, lots of rubber as you can see. Brakes are awesome. Wheels look absolutely fabulous. Great condition. Have a look in the back here. Lots of room, nice baseball stitching with perforated leather inserts, fold-down armrest. Just fabulous vehicle. Really nice. Map pockets in the back, little vents in the back for the back seat passengers, heated seats in the back as well, cup holders in the doors, really nice design. On the front passenger here, you've got S on the kick plate there. Let me see if I can get the glare to go away that you can see the S there. It's got the power adjustable passenger seat, again with the perforated leather seat inserts, and then it has memory seats over here for the passenger as well as the driver. So in here are all of the books, and there's the wheel lock right there so that you can read all about your new Jaguar. And awesome, beautiful look. This is going to open up when we start the car. Have a look in the door frames, just clean as a pin. This particular vehicle I know went down to Florida on a truck, was transported down there for the customer so that he wouldn't have to drive it down. It's got a huge panoramic roof. You can see the size of it there. It is just ginormous. On the front passenger wheel here, no curb rash, no issues. Painted rotors, painted calipers, great looking rubber, lots of brakes. Under the hood, 380 horsepower V6 turbocharged engine, or pardon me, supercharged, not turbo, supercharged engine with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This car flies. It does a great job. So, fabulous. Have a look at the front there with the hood closed. It's got the parking sensors on the front. The radar cruise control comes out of here, right in there. And stone chips, you know, I'm sure there's a couple little chips here. That's going to happen when you drive it on the highway, but nothing major at all. Looks really good. Here's the other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and look at the size of those rotors and calipers. So when you're going fast, you do want to be able to stop fast. On the back here, again, giant size rotors as well on those Pirelli P0s on the wheels, good looking wheels. In the back seat here again, lots of room. Good size car. It's not the L, it's not the extended version, but it's got lots of room in it. Up here you've got driver memory, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and they are power folding mirrors as well. Nice little detailed, what do they call it, hammered aluminum for the design. It's really very good. It's not carbon fiber, but it's got a look like that. Multifunction power seats, so the front edge gets longer, the seats get bigger and wider and taller. Does all those features, so lots of adjustments there. There's your power trunk, your lane keeping, and your dimming for the lights on the dash. So it's got push button start, so we'll just fire it up right now. So you can have a look at all the features here. 63,000 kilometers, and there you can see those vents open just like so. That's pretty cool. There's your heating system there with automatic dual zone air conditioning. You can sync the two of them together or have them separate. You've got your heated seats here. So up here you've got heated and cooled front seats, and then automatic air conditioning, automatic fan, etc. Down here we can change it to sport mode and take the traction control off. This is our auto engine off. If it drives you crazy, just turn it off, and then you can push this over to eco or winter driving over here, and again you can just go right to turning off the traction control if you choose right there. So up here it's saying, you know, do you want to change it to low friction, blah blah blah. That was our other question that we were asking it, so we've changed it up here. It also shows you up here where you're changing the mode to dynamic, etc. So those are all great features right there. Gotta love it. The console comes up. This goes up and down when you turn the vehicle on and off, and there you see the vents closing when we turn the car off. So we'll just fire that back up again. Up here we have the giant size sunroof, which opens nicely. As you can see, it's got a little built-in wind deflector and then closes very nicely. It also has an electric closer there. Over here we've got the adaptive cruise control. We've got a heated steering wheel. The adaptive cruise, you can adjust the distance in between cars for yourself right there. Over here we've got the navigation menu up here so that we can change, put navigation in the middle. We can do all kinds of features up there. And then you've got it over here where you can change the volume and all those other features. You've got paddle shifters if you want to put it in sport mode and play around and have some fun. We have a backup camera right here, and then we have self-parking right here. So if you're not a fan of parallel parking, have no fear, this car will do it for you. I love the dash where it shows you the speed of the road, what they're accepting, and that's your lane keep that you'll see in the middle up there. So awesome. The little lights are just telling me that I've opened the door. So have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. Great design, great features. Sporty, fast, full of luxury features. Great looking vehicle. The color is a bronzy silver, so a very unique looking silver. Nice built-in spoiler back there. Sounds good from the back. It's got a nice good hollow sound to it. That's awesome. There it is, folks. That's a 2016 Jaguar XFR-S. Just 63,000 kilometers, one owner, local vehicle. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.